Do you want to know why you have watchers on your eBay items but no views? Or why you have more watchers on your listing than there are views? Here are 2 reasons on why this happens. If your item has been listed for longer than 30 days, eBay resets your views so that you can notice recent accurate performance trends rather than having lifetime views. eBay updated to this way of counting in views in late April 2022. You can still access the data for the past 2 years in a new listing traffic history report for each listing. If your listing has recently been listed and has no views but already has a watcher or 2, here's why that is. When a potential buyer is searching an item on eBay, they can click on the heart icon, which adds to their watched items without clicking on your listing. This means they are watching your item based on the listing's main picture, title, condition, price, and postage price. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has helped.